usually float hoodies when I shut the door.
Float hoodies, that's crazy, man.
That's what we do.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
It just damn shit. Fuck the coppers, hoppers like a butler. I just wait on shit. Goofy niggas trapping for 3 weeks and still ain't major shit. I got so much floss on this new rollie, like work. Do this shit like yo.
Keep them cool.
Got him. 3.
You're good.
To your brain and that we blow it off.
You can get it when I'm in.
Never metered. I just play music, hang out with everyone, have fun. You know, I meet people.
Can I come in?
Yes, sir. I took your advice. So when you said do the tape, so I just started throwing tape everywhere.
Yeah.
So
It helps. Sometimes you might not realize it. It helps every little bit.
Yeah. So threw it all around here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Actually, just an adjustment with your amount of cone area, just a little port adjustment is everything. Sorry. I like you added a round over right here. Did that help a little bit when you did that?
I think so, because it changed the tuning. I brought my tuning down 1 hertz. So I wanted to develop play
Yes, sir.
25 and up.
So this is actually 6 subs. The mirror's working on my head.
The mirror fucks with it. Yeah, it messes with people. It's a little aesthetic.
Yes, sir. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Aaron. 6 Avatar 18s, 3 Salt AKs, and 1 ohm each.
Okay.
You know, lots of PRV meds.
Yeah.
3 390s and 80 amp hour EH5.
Okay.
Built by Jimmy the Painter. I did not build it,
Okay.
but I did the majority of the work, putting everything in.
Yeah. I like that last brace you put in there. That is,
He was like, what's the most extreme thing we could find?
yeah, that right there is extreme. That
So-
got the job done for sure. Very nice. And what are these subwoofers rated for, RMS wise?
3500.
3500. Wow. Okay.
3500, 4-inch coil. It can take a good beating over time.
Is that usually optimal? One door open, louder, or is it more contained pressure with it closed?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
No idea.
Wow.
But for some reason I like to display opens. I can get in and out.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Awesome, man.
I usually float hoodies when I shut the door.
Float hoodies. That's crazy, man.
That's what we do.
Yes, sir. That's what you do.
That's the next goal. You gotta tell people. Float hoodies.
Yeah, float hoodies. All right, is the door handle outside on? Oh, okay. You're really tearing everything up.
Looking forward to your build.
Yeah, yes, sir, man. Awesome. All right.
Or AA Ron.
Here,
I think the only
yeah, I'm ready to hear it. Sure, man. We'll talk more after. All right.
You in the streets, still ain't touched the million on some lazy shit. Crack up, say, and I drink it up, and I'm no same shit. Make the fade of you, the I let that bitch.
So this body got me coming, then I blow it up.
Your door's open with all that pressure. That's crazy, man. Did a really good job. You have a good day. What was your name?
Aaron.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop